We are back here on Girl Talk. We always laugh. Well, we have enough to talk about. We might need 3 shows.
we do.
There's so much. We're
do.
talking about the curriculum and what you're actually going to be teaching. We segued a little bit to your relationship, but let's go back to the
second book.
Yes.
And we went through the first book, which is our business. And again, I said we're going to be bringing guest speakers in for every one of the classes. So the classes range from you've got your different types of skin types, skin conditions, diseases, and disorders.
Oh, wow.
We've got doctors coming in explaining. I've got an OBGYN that's going to explain hormones
Okay.
and the body and how it affects our skin and our whole integumentary system. And then we've got doctors that are going to come in and discuss, oncologists who are going to discuss
Skin cancers.
Yes.
Being in the sun.
We're going to certify.
But sometimes an esthetician is the first person who might see something.
It most definitely is.
And point it out.
So we're going to certify the girls in being able to, we cannot diagnose.
But just say, ooh, this looks a
Yes,
little
it's
funky.
questionable.
Heads up.
I highly suggest you call your dermatologist.
Without scaring them to death.
Well, no.
Yes.
Right.
It's
Yes,
precaution.
do it tactfully and do it
Proactively.
tactfully.
Yeah.
But it is very important because people don't really know. We're here to educate our clients and
Sure.
the general public. That's our job. That's why it's so important for the girls to be educated, because once you have that education and knowledge and you are sharing it with your clients, then your clients have more trust in you and they realize that you know what you're doing. So they maintain those clients because they trust them.
Oh gosh, it makes so much sense.
So we're going to have guest speakers for everything, down to electricians, and I've got a chemist who is going to talk about formulating products and ingredients, because that's very big. I'm very big with ingredients because it's very important.
We talked about that. Yeah.
Yes, the average person will walk into, say, a Walgreens and just stare at the products that are there, saying, well, you know, I saw so-and-so advertising this on TV, it must be good. But they don't know what the ingredients are. There are a couple apps that you can put on your phone and scan the products so you can tell what ingredients are in
Does
there.
that even include when you're teaching, it would be like a 20-year-old skin versus a 65-year-old skin versus
Definitely.
a 30-year-old
Has to be,
skin?
Definitely,
right?
the needs are definitely different.
Okay.
The product line that we are using, Circadia, is produced by Dr. Pugliese. It's out of Pennsylvania. And he gears everything towards the age group. So this product is great for the 20 to 30-year-olds. This product is great for the 40 and over. So there are different needs as we age for our skin.
And we're
different
living
ingredients.
longer and longer and longer,
Yes,
and
we
we're
are.
acting younger and younger and younger.
That's right.
So we really, I mean, we're still doing a lot of skincare in our 60s, 70s, and 80s, hopefully.
Yes. And women, honestly, don't want to have 20 products that they have to put on their skin.
Right.
So we have
Lazy.
to find, I know, we're tired, we work hard. You get up in the morning, you want to put 4 products or 5 products on your skin, that's it.
Right.
You don't want to overload and overwhelm people. So when we're retailing products and we're trying to prescribe for their skin type, we start off slow, we don't overwhelm them. You need a good cleanser, you need a good moisturizer. Then we pull in an eye cream the next time they're here. And an SPF is your definite. Everybody should be wearing an SPF in the
Is
morning.
it also about the education about the product? So it's not just use this cleanser.
yes.
It's
Oh, yes.
here's why. You
Right.
do
This is what it's
for
doing
you.
Most
for you.
Are you
definitely.
good at your?
Oh, no.
Everybody needs an esthetician.
We do.
Everybody needs an esthetician, and it's important to start when you're young. You know, it's very, very important to start when you're young because it's preventative at that
See,
point.
I think my kids and grandkids are really good at it, where I wasn't so
Right.
great.
For sure.
Talk
My
to us-
daughter's way better at it than I am.
Well, exactly.
So, but I
It's
don't want to
true.
run out of time before we get to this.
It's true.
the
Okay.
kit.
So our students have lab fees, and in the lab fees, they
must
get
be
a
a zipper
bunch of
somewhere.
goodies. This is again, it's a Circadia product.
Like a
so
doctor's
they get
bag.
yes. So these are their tools. They've got they've got the
Exactly.
products. Now this is what they're going to be using at home and practicing on their friends and their loved ones.
Okay.
So this provides everything to do a facial on whatever skin type and whatever needs. So we've got the products, we've got tweezers, we've got little scissors and a mannequin head that they're going to have to take to state board, brushes, all the tools that they're going to need to go home and work on somebody's skin so they can practice. They're going to also get, going to get a headlamp, a magnifying headlamp, so that they have the ability to really look at it. It's a 3.5 diopter.
Okay.
So they're going to be seeing the skin up close and personal. So that way it's all portable. You zip it up, you take it with you, you go and do
It's your kit. Yeah.
We're focusing a lot on the face here. Are there other areas? Do you do waxings, and what are some of the other services that you will have?
We have a very wide menu. Yes, waxing definitely, and I am very big on starting the girls within the second week of skincare.
Oh, wow.
We do the basics real quick because we obviously have to go through the histology is very important when we're getting into this. But they start hands-on within 2 weeks so that they get used to it. Repetition is everything. By the time they're done with their 300 hours, they are excellent with the skin.
They're
Same with the
experienced.
waxing.
Yeah.
We start waxing early because you can't start waxing a week before you get into clinic because it takes time to get their speed up and to understand the contraindications and all that. So basically what we do in the morning when we come in, it's 9 to 5.
Okay. Is that what the class looks like?
Yes.
Okay.
So
9
to 12, we work on the book.
Okay.
And we're very intense. And we get that book work done and take a break for lunch, and we come back and we work on each other hands-on. So every day we're going to be doing something different. It's a facial, it's a brow or lash tinting, we're doing lash lift, which is the perming. That's really big right now.
Yes.
We're working with henna. So we're going to be doing a lot of henna, which is new right now. We are offering.
That's cool.
We're offering certification for lash extensions, so they're going to be able to do lash extensions in clinic as well, which hasn't been
I was
offered.
going to say your favorite name.
Yes, everybody loves them. So we've got a really good program.
I don't know where the time goes.
I know, because we still have so much more to
So
talk
much
about.
We
to
do,
say.
exactly. I'm sorry you guys are going to miss it because we're going to still talk about it.
That's right.
That's terrible. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so
Thank you
much.
all for joining us here on Girl Talk. Please have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.